Hi, and welcome. My name is Stephanie, and I am a strategic customer success manager here with Aloeware. First off, I want to thank you for being an Aloeware customer. If you are not currently an Aloeware customer, we do really appreciate you taking your time to watch our product demos and learn more about our product and how it can help your business. Today, we are going to talk about call dispositions. So call dispositions are extremely valuable to help agents understand key insights and let them easily keep track of their call outcomes and next steps. So let's dig in. First, you can log into your Aloeware admin dashboard and click on account. We are going to see what is currently loaded for our call dispositions that our agents are able to use. So we'll scroll over and click on call dispositions. Here you will see a list. It might just have some with locks. Those are actually from HubSpot. So you can edit those to change what those say or what you want your agents to use, or you can create new ones at any time. So let's now see how they work. We are going to head to our Talk To desktop app and call our friend Natalie.
This call may be recorded for quality assurance purposes. As part of our commitment to improving our services, we will conduct a post-call survey to gather your thoughts and opinions. We are sorry, but no agents are available.
Looks like
to
Natalie
take
is
this
not
call.
available, so we can end the call and finish our wrap up. Here we can select our call disposition from the list that we have over in our Aloeware dashboard to select from. So we are going to choose no answer because she was not available. You can choose your HubSpot activity, and then you will finish your wrap up as easy as 1, 2, 3. Now let's head over to see how that's integrated into the contact in HubSpot or the account the contact is associated with. So we are now going to refresh our screen, and it should instantly integrate back to HubSpot and look for our call recording with our outcome, our type, and then we can add any comments. So call dispositions we'd love to talk about because they do help keep teams on the same page. You can use them to easily alert agents to follow up with their customers. You are able to assign custom labels for an at-glance customer overview. You can also use call dispositions to help scrub call lists and remain do not contact compliant. You can create more successful call lists, and you can always keep your management informed. So thank you again for being an Aloeware customer and taking your time to learn about some of our products. Also, if I am your client success manager and you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. If I'm not your client success manager, we do have an awesome, helpful team that you can reach out to at any time and ask any questions you need. Thanks so much.